When we heard about the grant from the Arts Council, we jumped, at the chance of doing something like this.
I think something that takes you out of the normal curriculum is brilliant. To give them that time is a really good thing. It makes it a special event.
To have artists working alongside pupils is phenomenal. Funding behind it enables you to find artists and find experiences for children that they wouldn't normally have.
Dwi wirioneddol yn meddwl bod theatr yn gallu newid bywydau pobl, enwedig pobl sydd ddim yn cael y cyfleoedd yma adra, dyle bod nhw'n cael fo trwy'r ysgol.
The transport costs to get us up here, we wouldn't have been able to afford really. Without that help, so it's been a big benefit to the school and the children.
Mae'r plant dwi'n mwynhau mas draw. Gyda'r arian yr wrth y cyllid, mae'n rhaid i nhw byd o wahaniaeth i gyrraedd yma heddi.
Working alongside artists is absolutely phenomenal. It's a fantastic experience which you don't get in a normal classroom setting.
Mae cyfnewid sgiliau a syniadau bob tro yn creu syniadau ffres, arloesol, anisgwyliedig, fantastic.
It's brilliant because the children really react differently and actually you get the very best potential out of them.
It allows the children to see the arts in a more authentic way by having professionals come in and work closely with the children on the given art forms.
Mae di agor yn meddyliau ni fel athrawon a ysbrydoli ni weithio mewn ffordd wahanol.
I'm not normally very good at helping people, but I've learned how to be better at it.
I've learned more ways to do art instead of just drawing and painting.
Before today, I haven't seen anything like this.
I think you just learn so many life lessons and it makes you more creative, which helps in all of your life.
It really inspired me to just get the confidence to just go out there and do it.
They've got so much out of it, building confidence, working in teams, working with different children from other groups. It's just been a worthwhile experience for them. It's lovely to see the children in this sort of setting outside of school. They don't think they're learning, but they are. It's lovely.